The iPad Pro series can be considered the most powerful tablets in the world. In this video, I review the latest iPad Pro, the iPad Pro 2021. In terms of design, the iPad Pro this year is not much different from last year. The tablet weighs 683 grams and is 6.3 mm thick, and its size is 11 or 12.9 inches. This device is not a light device at all, but it has a good weight balance. The back panel and the middle frame are made of aluminum, and like other Apple products this year, the middle frame is completely flat. Two camera lenses with flash and LiDAR sensor are also located in the corner of the back panel, which are protected by glass. In general, the body material is excellent. On the front panel is a display with notches that are suitable for a tablet, and a selfie camera and Face ID on the top of this notch. iPad Pro also supports the Magic Keyboard, touchpad, mouse and the stylus, which makes the user experience like a laptop, although these devices must be purchased separately. The display of this tablet is a liquid retina XDR LCD, which is made with mini LED technology, and its resolution is 2050 in 2700 pixels, which supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision content. The colors of this screen are very deep and very close to reality, and this is very good news for those who edit photos or videos. The brightness of the iPad Pro 2021 is 1600 nits, and its pixel density is 265 ppi, which is incredibly good, and there is no problem to see the content on this tablet. The refresh rate of the iPad Pro 2021 is 120 Hz and adaptive, and overall the device is excellent in terms of display. iPad Pro 2021 does not have Touch ID, but its 3D Face ID has a very good security and speed. You should not expect a good camera from the tablet, but iPads always have excellent camera performance. The main lens of this tablet is 12 megapixels. The photos have good sharpness and show the details well, but the dynamic range is average. Portrait photos are captured with the help of the LiDAR sensor, and the subject is well separated from the background, and the details of the subject are not lost much. With the help of a LiDAR sensor, you can also have augmented reality, the performance of which is also very acceptable. The iPad Pro 2021 ultra-wide lens is also 10 megapixels. The photos do not have a wide viewing angle, but the quality is close to the main lens. Also, with the main camera, you can record 4K 60 frames per second video, which is great for a tablet. The selfie camera of this tablet is 12 megapixels. The photos has medium sharpness and the details is well displayed, but the dynamic range is weak, and it can be said that the selfie camera is more suitable for video conferencing and video calling. You can also record 1080p 60 frames per second video with a selfie camera. Overall, the performance of the iPad Pro is lovely. But what makes this tablet a powerful laptop is the M1 chipset and 8 or 16 gigabits of fast LPDDR5 RAM. This tablet does multitasking, gaming, editing, and everything in the best way without the lag and the slowness. Its internal memory can be up to 2 TB, which is NVMe and very fast. In general, it can be said that this is the most powerful tablet in the world in terms of hardware. iPad Pro 2021 has software support for up to 5 years and now has iPad OS 14.6. In terms of software, this tablet has good capabilities and is completely compatible with this tablet. But the big problem is the software restriction that Apple has placed on this tablet to be able to sell its laptop, which is annoying. A 40-watt Air in 12.9-inch version and 7500 mAh in 11-inch version lithium polymer battery is included on this tablet, which can be used for one full day without the need for a charger. The iPad Pro 2021 also supports an 18-watt adapter and takes 3 hours to fully charge, which is annoying. This device has 4 speakers that produce a lot of sound and have excellent quality and balance. They even produce a good bass. In general, this very powerful tablet has features that greatly increase the value of its purchase, but its software is limiting. Thanks for watching. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, like it. Goodbye, see you in next video.